any way to be perfect. But I believe we can point to numerous cases of our senior officers who have been subjected to investigation and prosecution without any interference by the executive. I think we need to do this in all arms of government. As head of state and government, I will not abdicate my duty to do all that I can to protect the integrity of our judicial system and to oppose its capture by nefarious elements. Ngine kalikali hiyo yote tumesema tuachane, tuko na amani leo. So I urge the judiciary to undertake a frank internal conversation, as we are also doing, on whether we are meeting the expectations of Kenyans and whether we remain together on path of transformation that began in 2010. In the same way that the whole nation is discussing our renewal through Building Bridges initiatives, the judiciary should candidly discuss internally and with external stakeholders its current state and how it can also be better. External to the judiciary, as you carry out your deliberations, the other branches of government and the Kenyan people should also give consideration to how we can better support you, as you have said, and support your cause so that you can truly be an independent, effective, accountable, and public service-minded branch of government. We are ready to support you.